Hi Amy, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. This is the 2011 Chevy Tahoe that you had some interest in. I'm going to go around the exterior and the interior of the vehicle and just show you equipment and condition. I'm going to start with the front. This is the white diamond on these vehicles, very popular color, and this Tahoe is in excellent shape. There's no scratches or dents on the hood or bumper. Maybe one or two tiny little rock chips here and there, but easily filled. Bumper's in good shape, and you can see the skirt down there has not been ripped off or even curb rashed. Fog lights are in good shape. Coming along the passenger side, there is one little boo-boo right there. But otherwise the fender looks to be in good shape, no dents or anything like that. Passenger doors, very straight, no scratches on those, and the rear panel here looks to be in really nice shape as well. It does have a chrome exhaust tip on there. Kind of take a look at the tires. Got some good tread left on them there. You can see the wear mark there. All four wheels are in good shape. Coming along the back here, rear bumpers in good shape. Little bit of loading scratches on that plastic piece there, but definitely light loads. There's definitely no gashes in that. Driver's side, both doors, rear panel, and front fender are in excellent shape. Take a look on the inside here. Oops. Right. So the Cocoa Dune is a very popular interior color, especially with this exterior combo. Front bucket seats. Does have navigation, rear vision camera, park assist. Four-wheel drive operations there. Does have a sunroof as well, and DVD players, which is nice. Take a look at the back. Actually, we'll just kind of point out very little wear on the seats. No tears or funny smells in here. Looks like they have some WeatherTech mats in here, which is really nice. Definitely helps save the carpet. And again, very little wear on these seats. A little bit of wear on those, maybe from a child seat, but I don't know if you can see that there. But no funny smells again, no carpet stains. The back seat there, it looks like there's some marks on it from being folded down, but otherwise down. Otherwise they look to be in very good shape. DVD player there. Oh, and all your controls here. It does have second row heated seats. Function is in that center stack, and a lot of climate control DVD accessories there. I go over to the passenger side and just take a peek at the wear on the seat. Make sure there's no cracks or holes in the leather. It's also in excellent shape. Very little wear, which is very nice. Dash looks to be in good shape too. No big gashes in the dashboard. All the buttons are on the radio, which is good. No wear on any of the climate control buttons. Taking a look at the windshield, I did notice there is a couple rock chips. One down there by the windshield wiper, and then there is another one about 8 inches away from the other. They both look like they've been filled. I can already kind of tell that white center of them. That typically means that they've been filled by a glass shop. It does have a roof rack on the top with both cross rails. Running boards are both in good shape. None of them are broken or hanging down. Actually, let me take a look at the back for you too. This Tahoe's pretty much got every option on it, being an LTZ. Power lift gate, remote start, heated seats. Looks like those are the factory mats in there. That's nice. All in all, this Tahoe is in really excellent condition, 46,000 miles. If you have any questions, Amy, give us a call, 208-263-2138. Thanks for watching.